Guess when I put the get that game, Alice is Kokopee. It's Kokopee. This is Kokopee. It's Kokopee.
Alcohol na your mate, alcohol na your mate. Big no be for small children. Money na your mate, smoke no be for small children. These girls are serious, They don't come here to the joke with us. These girls are dangerous. They don't dare to be shame with us. Go, alcohol na your mate, alcohol na your mate. Big no be for small children. Money na your mate, money na your mate. Give me a couple number.
I better wait to worry. Now let me hear this thing when I talk just now. I say alcohol na your mate. Big yansh not be for small children. Alcohol not be anybody mate too. If you follow your friend drag alcohol, they go drag you go hospital. Then big yansh not be for small children. That one a big man testimony. You never chop belly food, you won't carry big yansh, they test your money. Dr. Paddy, you know say girl we get big yansh to carry am na big money. A woman we no get big yansh, if you want buy am from doctor, na big money. That's why I say big yansh no be for small children. I beg wait, I hope say small children no dey hear this night too, because I want to advise the women on behalf of the men. Women, I beg, Mona hear me, I beg. Mona no say, na only when man they meet his standard, now penis they stand hard. I don't say if your penis they stand for here, you know bad though. But I beg, if you are a man here, no allow this thing for your waist deceive you. Now money not be manhood. Man, we don't get money, don't know himself. Most of the things you think you like now because of condition. I don't like rice. Now, but I be the best swallow. Now, the whole belly. Now, the whole belly. Okay, now poverty the whole your belly. How can I be giving a girl money? Those girls too want too much money. The thing waiting my waist be like small picking leg at the shift to shut up. Can you sustain financial erection for long in the right direction? Ask your neighbor this question. Bros. You know, say some people will stop to greet you good morning when they start to make good money. Most people are only good to you because you have money. But I want to tell you now, boy, we render service now, I go service. I bet yeah, this life, everybody in a house boy. It just depends on the house where you choose to be boy. Dan go tell a house boy. Me self, I be house boy, but my problem is say I be polygamous house boy. As my problem the many, now so my God they the many. If you are meeting me here for the first time, worry, my name is Kokopee, aka the Lyrical Engr, aka Mr. Spoil Their Jam. Drink their foil, peace for their Bestie. And if they do any, I go blow person short. Don't play now. What you saying? Don't play. If you love BDM in the house, wait, chill. If you chill,
you must pass when you.
I beg, do I have the Ratted gang members in the house? If you love BDM in the house, say don't play. Say don't play. Let's turn the fucking shit up. Don't play. They're going to learn. What you saying?
You must pass when you put the pants.
Okay now. Hey, you must pants when you put the pants. If you're a bumper, you know.
Go.
Yeah. Face your neighbor.
Don't play, or you will learn. 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 In order to go.
Who they play now? What you saying? Boy, let's go. Hit it. Are you ready with me? Turn the fuck up, let's go. Okay.
Don't play, or you will learn. 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 How do it go?
Men are different. Women are different. Money no get side effects. It don't get effect. Men are different. Women are different. Money no get side effects. It don't get effect. Yeah. Oh yeah, raise down the pennies. One time, let's go. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Woman, I be money. Woman, I be money. Which one I go choose? Woman, I be money. Woman, I be money. Thank you, good name. My name is Kokopee.
Woman, I be money. Woman, sabi money. I say you need better money. Yeah, or you will learn. Don't.
Verydark Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Worry, Yadadi 23.
Oh my God.